day, my son and I went school shopping, and the pencil cases there weren't really his style. So he asked me if we got this plain pencil case, if I could add a decal to it with some of the things that he liked. So I'm going to be adding his name and some robots to the pencil case. To do this, I will be using heat transfer source adhesive vinyl. They have lots of different adhesive vinyls, from shiny to solid to some that have like a hologram glitter effect, and they have this spectrum where it changes color in the light. But for his, I think we're going to go a little bit more basic and use the solid colors. For this project, we're going to need our pencil case, our cutting machine, our adhesive vinyl, transfer tape, weeding tools, and a little bit of rubbing alcohol to clean the surface of the pencil case before we put the decal on. Now let's measure our decal space so we know what size to make our decal. Then we can go to our computer and get our SGV ready to be cut on our machine. For adhesive vinyl, you put the colorful side up, or the paper backing down. Sometimes I'll put a few pieces of tape on if my mat's not quite as sticky as it once was. So it goes colorful side up for adhesive, into your machine, load, and hit the C button. Now that we have all our vinyl pieces cut out, we're going to take our Tweety light, available on heattransfersource.com, and weed our decals, which means takes the excess off. So all we have left is our layers for the design. Now that we've got all of our pieces cut out, we're going to take our transfer tape, cut it the size of this. Wipe down our surface with a little bit of alcohol. Use our scraper tool. And hopefully the black stays on the tape, the white comes off. Place it on our box that we cleaned. Now we have our personalized case for school.
For 300 more craft tutorials, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit that bell. Thanks, everyone.